Hey, what is up everybody? How is it going? Welcome to the Ecomhunt YouTube channel. My name is Sherban, and in this video I'm gonna talk a bit about how much money does it cost to open and run a dropshipping store on the Shopify platform in this year, in 2020. Now, contrary to popular belief, a lot of people have spread this myth around that dropshipping doesn't require any kind of investment upfront and you can do it for free. That couldn't be further from truth. Dropshipping, it's a real business, and it involves some expenses that you should consider before getting started. Dropshipping, it's an amazing business model. This is why I am here. This is why you're seeing me today, because I think that dropshipping, it's amazing. Everything I do revolves around dropshipping, and everything around Ecomhunt community revolves around dropshipping. We think that it's an amazing business model. You can basically open up a store and start selling products right away without having to buy stock for those products, without having headaches, without having to employ anybody, without all that mumbo jumbo of a traditional standard business model. Sounds amazing, right? And you can do everything in a couple of hours, maybe even less. You can do it on the Shopify platform, which is an amazing platform that lets you create a store and add products to it in a matter of minutes, right? It's a drag and drop system. Even a 6-year-old could do it. After you created your store, you can import automatically some products from AliExpress, put them on your store with a higher price, and start making profits. Sounds really easy, sounds amazing. There are a few expenses that I want to tell you about in this video before getting started. First of all, domain name. That's really important, right? Every store that you can think about has a domain name. That is the URL that you're writing, right? www.apple.com, .nike.com. They are domain names. They are really valuable for our customer because that is how they know us, right? Our name, it's our business card. And people should know your name. Your name should be visible at all times. People should be familiar with your name. At first, when you are opening up a Shopify account, they will give you a standard like yourstore.myshopify.com. But nobody would buy anything from such a domain name, right? It sounds really, I don't know, like a beginner. Just open up a store and it doesn't have a domain name. It wouldn't be trustworthy, right? You wouldn't buy something from a store that looks like this, store.myshopify.com. So the first thing that you need to do is to buy a domain for your store. It's really important, right? It's the first thing the person sees when they check out your website. There are mainly multiple ways, but I'm gonna narrow it down to 2 ways of buying a domain. First of all, buy it at a specialty domain marketplace such as GoDaddy. This is one of the biggest marketplaces for domains in the world. And the second of all, you can buy it straight from Shopify. The first option, it's the GoDaddy. I told you, it's an internet giant. They have been selling domains since like forever. They are one of the oldest players in this game. They are really good to work with. Their costs are a little bit more expensive than other providers. And yeah, there goes number 2, which is Shopify. Prices are around the same as GoDaddy. The good part, the advantage of this option is that you can they do everything for you. Once you have set up an account, you can just go to domains, search for free domains, and just click one button, click buy button, and it will automatically be transferred to your Shopify store. It will be allocated to your store, and it's the easiest way. It will be attributed to your store and you can switch it automatically. It's easier for beginners. After that, you will need privacy protection and private emails. We will recommend you in this case to use a brand such as Namecheap, because they are offering these usually for free if you get the domain for them, and even the domain is sometimes cheaper than GoDaddy, so you can save up some money. As an alternative, you can do this on Shopify as well. You can create how many emails you like, and yeah, it's like a balance. You gotta choose between these two. As a price, I want to tell you that on average, domains cost like $10, something like that, even maybe more, $12 or $8, depends on the domain. I mean, you don't want to buy a fancy domain that is free and pay thousands of dollars for it, but like a normal, a standard domain from Namecheap, from GoDaddy, it's like $10. So add that. Number 2, you're gonna need a logo, right? So the logo is the image of your store. That's the first thing that people see when they click enter on your link, right? So when they click your ad, they are seeing your logo. That is something important, like visually speaking, right? It has branding elements in it. It has, I don't know, it has that power to show the customer who are you with a really small portion of the screen. You can tell your customer who you are, and you can make him feel like your site is desirable or not. And I've heard a lot of stories of people exiting a store only because their logo didn't look nice and it looked totally unprofessional. Now, there are two sides of this story. There are people who put too much effort in this and they think that the logo is so important that they wind up spending hundreds of dollars on professional logos. Yeah, companies such as Coca-Cola and Apple, I don't know, they have the right to do this because they are targeting millions of people worldwide. I'm not saying that, but you are a beginner dropshipper. You need to take care of your money. You need to take care of the sources of where you're spending your money. It's really nice to have a good logo, but it's not that nice to spend hundreds of dollars on a logo. So the best place that you can find logos, that's obvious. It's Fiverr, right? This is where everybody that has the slightest talent in everything go. So you can find a lot of people from Sri Lanka, from Pakistan, from India that will make you an amazing logo. They are highly talented, and you can get an amazing logo for $20, $30. I would say maximum $30 for a logo. Don't spend any more than that because it's not worth it. Remember, you are a dropshipper. It means that you're tight on the budget, right? You don't want to spend money foolishly. On the other hand side, don't spend like $5 on a logo, or if you are not talented at all, don't make a logo yourself on Paint or something like that because you haven't done that before and your logo maybe will not be appreciated. And on the other hand side, if you're spending like $5 on a logo, you will get $5 worth of logo, which will be really bad. People will not appreciate your logo. You gotta find a balance here as well. Number 3, here comes the theme. Oh boy, like people are really going crazy over this. People think that by having an expensive theme, you will find the road to success. You will find instant success, instant gratification by using an expensive theme. That could not be further from truth. Yes, an expensive theme looks nice, it looks professional, but I have a surprise for you. You can do the exact same thing with a free debut theme from Shopify. Yes, Shopify offers you like 10 free themes and they offer you the option to buy paid themes. On average, a paid theme costs between $180 and $250, something like that. And I repeat you again, you are a dropshipper. You have just started this journey. If you chose dropshipping, it means that you are tight on budget, right? So why would you want to spend $200 on a theme when you could spend that money advertising, or you could put that money to greater use, right? So I would highly recommend you to pick a free theme and go with that. And I have a challenge for you. If you're like obsessively thinking about having a paid theme, don't jump like head in the water and buy this theme like the first thing that you're doing. No, get a free theme, set up your store, make it look as nice as possible, have a nice logo, and try to start running your business. If you start getting sales and if you're succeeding getting sales and being profitable with a free theme, I assure you that you can do the same with a paid theme. But first of all, prove to yourself that you can make money and make sales and make profits with a free theme. And from that money, you can invest it in you can invest that profit money that you made with a free theme, you can invest it in a paid theme. I don't have nothing against that. You can go ahead and do that. But for starters, I would not recommend you to invest any money in a theme. So $0 here. Number 4, Shopify apps. We have made a video on what apps we use for our Shopify stores. Check it out. You will find it in our channel. It's fair to say that apps make our lives a lot easier. Us as dropshippers, right? We could live without these apps, no problem. But why should we? Because these apps are doing a lot of work that would require us a lot of time and effort to do ourselves. And there are some apps that we just cannot replicate what they are doing. Like there are some apps that are offering our customers bundles and that are offering products like those that they have already bought and stuff like that that we cannot do ourselves, right? So this is the purpose of an app, to make our life easier and to save money. So a lot of apps help you with customer retention, increasing the AOV of each customer that shop from you. AOV meaning average order value. There are a few apps that will make your customer buy more than they initially decided to buy. If they wanted to buy one pair of socks, there are apps that will tell your customer, hey, look at this as well. You have bought these blue socks, these red socks go amazing with them. Get both of them for the price of promotional price of $20 instead of $30, and that customer will buy the bundle, right? You could not do this without an app. There are apps that improve scarcity and offer guidance to your users, such as Sticky Add to Cart, which is an app that will always keep the Add to Cart button visible at all times to your customer. Even if they are scrolling down or up, the Add to Cart button will be there. This is really important because it serves as a guidance. It has a guidance purpose because people are getting bored really easily, and if they scroll down a bit to maybe read the description, they will not see the Add to Cart button anymore, and they will, I don't know, instinctively get out of your store. Your job is to keep them focused and let them know at all times that you have an Add to Cart button there. That's really simple to be done with an app. You cannot do this without an app. So to end this app chapter, I want to tell you that apps are truly optional, but I would not run a Shopify store without apps, right? I assure you that apps will give you a great time as a dropshipper, and I can assure you that will give you a great boost in conversion and sales. Apps would cost between $20 and $25 per month maybe, for apps such as AliExpress Review, Locks, Abandonment Protector, Unlimited Bundles, Exit Pop-ups, apps such as these that help like highly increase your conversion rate and highly increase the behavior of your customer on your website. And this $20-$25 per month is nothing compared to what potential do they have. Number 5, store design. And I'm talking about banners, square photos, etc. so on. Banners, these banners are a good way to let your customer know that they are visiting a well-designed website and see the highlights of specific products that you decide to showcase on those brands, right? On those banners. So putting a little effort in creating banners and other promotional materials such as banners can be highly rewarding. It's really nice to have banners on your store. It looks better. Customers will get that feel of professionalism and design. So overall, I want to tell you that the same with the theme. The banners have the same story as the theme. You don't want to spend money on something that it's so easily to be made. You can easily design a banner. You can easily use free images from the Shopify database. They are allowing you to use those images in your advantage, and you can easily create something in Photoshop. So I would not recommend you to spend any money on banners or square photos on any promotional materials like this that are in the store design category, right? So this being said, these are the top 5 expenses, I would say, that you should consider before running a dropshipping store. So the first one is the domain name, which is $10. After that, the logo is $30. We're having $40. The theme should be free. Some apps would be $20-25 per month, and banners $0, right? So we have like $40-50 money that you should have upfront, that you should pay for a domain name and for a logo. And after that, we will have some recurring payments such as apps and the Shopify subscription, right? These are all of the costs that you can start a dropshipping business with. It's not a lot of money compared to a traditional business model, which easily surpasses thousands over thousands of dollars. And there you go. You can start dropshipping with literally under $100. Thank you for watching. This video was brought to you by Ecomhunt. You have a link in the description. Make sure to check it out. It's amazing. You will not regret it. For those of you who don't know what Ecomhunt is, shame on you. I am kidding. Ecomhunt is the best platform when it comes to finding dropshipping products to sell on the global market. Well, how does it work? We have a wonderful team that's doing research 24/7, is doing market research to give you the best products to sell. The products that are making the biggest waves on the market now in this moment. Let's take a look. These are the products. We are uploading 2 to 3 new winning products every day. Let's check this product, this Crystal Shark wine glass. You just gotta click on the green button. It will show you pictures of the product. You will have a button where you can import it straight to your Shopify store. You will have an amazing description. You will see for how much can you get this product from the AliExpress suppliers. You will see for how much can you sell the product, like what's this medium selling price on the market. You will have a saturation inspector where you can see how many stores are selling this product at this moment. You will see how what engagement does this product have. You will see some analytics, some links where you can find the product in different sources: AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, eBay. You have a link where you can see another store that's selling this item. You will have a link to a Facebook ad that's selling this product. Let's check, for example, AliExpress. You got to click on AliExpress. It will take you to the seller that sells this specific product on AliExpress, and you can import it to your store straight from here. They have a lot of models. You will have YouTube videos of this product. You will have targeting examples right here. You will have interest examples, like what interest should you target. You will see a lot of useful information, such as what Instagram influencers can you contact to sell this product for you, and what reviews does the product have, more products just like this one, so on and so forth. Ecomhunt, it's an amazing tool. It helps a lot of people every day to sell new products in a dropshipping way, and it's an amazing tool. I really want you to check this out. You have a link in the description. Make sure to check it out. You will not regret it. Ecomhunt will help your business a lot. You will spend a lot of money and a lot of time finding these products to sell, and you will test a lot of products. With Ecomhunt, that it's not the case, because we have a team of people that's doing that 24/7. We're searching for the products that are making waves, and we're doing all the work for you basically, so you will have the time and money to keep for yourself and to use it in other ways. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more videos just like this one. Thank you again for watching. See you next week.